I no longer fry onions. I only cook them this way. Let's start by cutting one onion in half, then slice it. We're also gonna need a peeled big potato cut into very thin slices, then pile them up and cut into small sticks. And you guys, this is the perfect breakfast recipe. Super easy to prepare, ready in a few minutes. You're gonna love it. I have here 100 grams of ham. Cut it into small slices. In a bowl, add 3 eggs and whisk with a fork. Take a moment to tell me where you're watching us from so that I can send you a huge hug and thank you for following our recipes. We'd love to know. In a bowl, add the ham, the potato, the onion, the beaten eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and stir. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and comment below. I love onions. In a pan, drizzle some oil, then add the mixture and spread it with a spoon to even it out. Cover with a lid and let cook on minimum heat for 20 minutes. Then remove the lid and flip it using a plate. Let cook for 5 more minutes. And our recipe is done, ready to be enjoyed. I really hope you liked our recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.